Hi everyone! Welcome back to Origami with Josie, origami for parents and kids during coronavirus quarantine. Today we're going to fold an origami cicada. So I'm starting with a square piece of orange paper. You can use any color you want. We're going to flip it over to the white side and make it like a diamond. And then we're going to fold this corner up. And then fold this point up to here. And then this point up to here. And then fold this point down to here. And the same on the other side, this point down to here. Then we're going to take the top raw edge and we're going to fold along about here. It doesn't have to be exact, but we're going to give it a stripe. So you can see the distance here. I'm going to do the same thing with this edge. And again, it doesn't have to be exact, but about the same distance. And then we're going to flip it over, and what we're going to do is just bring in some of the side. And this is about your preference, because when you flip it back over, you'll see that it's starting to get the shape of the body of the cicada. And then you can adjust it a little bit to your liking. And so do that on both sides. Make sure it's about equal. And then the last part is to fold the eyes down. So we're just going to go right here, fold down a little bit on both sides. And there you have it, the cicada. I really hope you enjoyed folding the cicada. Stay tuned tomorrow for another exciting origami model. See you then!